Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for joining us. Today we are going to be tackling a random solitaire game and not edit it. Again, if you want more specific information as to how I'm thinking, which you'll get a lot of in this game, check out these videos right here. My favorite, of course, is the Solitaire Complete Tip Guide. It's over 35 minutes long and has almost every scenario I can think of. Let's go ahead and get started here. And to start off, I like to go for the columns, and then basically this draw pile right here, I'd like to try to save the early cards as insurance for later, and then sometimes we bring cards down from up top. This ace going up top to the foundation pile. Sometimes we can bring those cards down if we have to try to open up the columns. We'll see how this goes here. We've got the 3 of spades there. We'll move. 4 of spades we can move. These low cards can sometimes hurt us. We're going to play it right now, but sometimes they can be better off not being played because they can actually hold up cards. We're going to play it, and then we'll use the undo button if we need to. Now let's go ahead and turn our focus on the draw pile and see what cards we have for insurance, if any. Nothing there, nothing there. This will be our insurance card to start. It's kind of toward the back, though. We'd like to have one earlier, but let's see what we can do. And that looks like our only move, other than... yeah, that's our only move for now. We're going to play it and see how things play out. We'll play the ace of clubs. Excuse me. The next card down is going to be the 2 of clubs. We can play that. We can't play this. We can't play that. We can play this 10 of diamonds. That'll be another card that's down. That'll open up this column here. So maybe we can do some stuff. Let's see here. Well, that'd actually be great, because then this will be our insurance card. It'll be in the very front of the draw pile, so that'll be very good for us. So yeah, this will work out good here. A little maneuvering. I'm going to play all the way down to the end. Playing the 10 of diamonds, and then we'll play this up here, and then cycle through again. This is our new insurance card. We're going to save it until we need it. But we will play other cards from the draw pile. So we can play this 2 of clubs. And let's see, nothing there to play. We can play this diamond. And going to cycle through again, just trying to maximize our moves here. We could be put to a tough decision in a minute. We need this 8. We're going to probably need this 8 down, I think. 8 hearts. So we'll have to play 2. We can't play this king. We'd like to play it, but we can't. Yep, going to go through again. Okay, this is going to be a tough spot. We're going to play 2 out of these 3 cards, and the reason we're playing 2 out of 3... Oh, no, we can play 1. We can play 1 to start. There's a different variation here. If we play the king, this 5 is going to drop, and we can use it to play... The black 5 can go right there, and we can put the 4 underneath it. And then we'll see what moves we have out of the back. So we're just going to play this king. Our new insurance card, of course, is going to be the 5. So let's go back through and see how this goes. And this will drop the queen. So that's very good, because that'll open up this jack column right here. The next time we go through, our first move is going to be this queen. So, okay. Going through again. Insurance card. And we're going to play the queen first. The thing is, you can if you play cards out of the back of the draw pile, it doesn't affect what it does in the front. So I like to play them out of the back. Just try to maximize the chances of getting this solved. Gonna play this. And again, we have another diamond there. Oh, that's another 10. Was there a 10 behind this? I think there was. Let me look back. Oh, boy. This is going to be interesting. I may just play this 9. Yeah, I think I'm going to play it 9. Let's play this 10 here. And I think our first priority here is, because there's more cards in the column, is going to be to play cards toward the column. If that doesn't work, of course, we'll undo and go back. So we can play the 9 there. If you get a black 8, that'd be great. That'll open up this column, and that'll give us the option of playing this down below, or this king, which will be really good because then we can get it out of the way. So let's see how this plays out here. Okay, I get an insurance card. I'm almost tempted to play this variation. I may go back on that, like I said earlier. Yeah, that's the black 8 that we want. Well, let's go through here and see what we got. We got the 5. Wait, look at that black 8. Got to move 2 cards to get to the black 8. So, okay, we're right here. We're going to move 1 card and 2 cards. That gets us to the black 8. We're not going to move this card because we want to get the black 8 out. We can also move this 4. Oh, that's a good card, a 3. Okay, we can move that. And we can move the 6 underneath the 7. We can move the 5 there as well. Oh, that's a really good card. We got the ace out. And we can move this king over here. Oh, this is really good. We may have this solved here, so we can move all these spades up. Again, we're going to hold off on this for just a minute here. We can move this queen over, though. Okay, I'm going to play that 8. Actually, I don't think it matters. Yeah, it does matter, though. So, okay. Oh, no, it doesn't matter. Now we can just play this 3. It's fine. I can manipulate enough cards in the back of this draw pile to where I think it won't matter. So we need a 4 of diamonds is really the card we need, which we don't have in here, I don't believe. Oh, we do have a 4 of diamonds. That's great. Okay. I typically don't like to play them for the front, but we got so many cards we can move. I don't think it makes a difference here. So we'll play the 5 of diamonds up. We can play the 6 of diamonds and the 7 of diamonds. And again, if it doesn't work out, we will backtrack and make it work out. Just going to play the jack of diamonds. We can play this 8 right here. We can play this king. I think there's one more king. We need the red queen, if there is a red queen. Oh, there's no red queen there. But there is this card, the 4 of clubs. We're going to move the hearts up. We're just going to move all these little cards up for now and see if we can uncover, I think, this pile right here. And then figure out where we're at in just a minute. Yeah, because this will be our new insurance card. So moving the 5 of spades up, 6 of spades up, 6 of hearts, 7 of hearts. And we kind of need that 5 of clubs. So that may be our play here. But we're going to play again from the back of the draw pile. Just for here, just to be safe. Okay, so that's up there, the spade. We can play this 8 of spades. 8 of clubs. You can play the 8 of hearts. Again, you want to try to figure out ways to get the straw pile down, which we're doing right here. And it looks like the jack of spades is the only card. So, okay. I have a thought. I'm going to explain what I'm doing real quickly here. There's these 3 cards are the first 3 cards in the draw pile. I'm only going to play 1 card. And the reason I'm going to play this 10 of clubs is I want to drop this 9 of spades and get it up top. So, only going to play the 10 of clubs. We can play these 2 cards, but we're going to play these 2 cards on the next go around. So, okay, now it resets, and voila, the 9 of spades is the first card. We can play that, and now we can play these other cards. We can play the 9 of diamonds. But more importantly, this 5 of clubs was critical because that's going to allow us to play the 6 of clubs, 7 of clubs, 8 of clubs, 8 of diamonds, 9 of diamonds, 9 of hearts. We'll go back to clubs again, 10 of clubs. We just have this jack of spades to get up there, and we should not have a problem doing that. 10 of spades, jack of spades. We can play the 10 of diamonds. We can play this 10 or jack of clubs. It opens up the column. That's a very good card for us. Now we can put the 10 of hearts up, and we pretty much have solved this. Yeah, we have. So Jack of Hearts up, Queen of Hearts up, and we've solved it right there. And that is going to wrap this up. I would like to thank you for sticking around and wish you good luck.